Ask any Bengali what brings them the most comfort on a rainy day, and more often than not, you will be met with a smile and a single word khichudi. We start with Shona Moong Dal, a golden split lentil that's gently dry roasted in a kadhai. The high heat and constant stirring brings out the rich nutty aroma that fills the kitchen. Next, in a bowl, we mix this roasted dal with Gobindo Bhog rice, a short grain fragrant variety beloved in Bengal. If you can't find it, any small grain rice will do. Let the dal and rice soak in water for about 30 minutes. This step ensures a creamy texture when cooked. Next, in a kadhai, heat a generous amount of mustard oil until it reaches its smoking point. This is important as mustard oil has a strong, almost sharp flavor, and by letting it smoke, we mellow out its intensity. When the oil is ready, turn the heat down and toss in chunks of cauliflower. Previously, we have sprinkled them with little salt and turmeric. Fry them until they develop a golden crust. This caramelization brings out the natural sweetness. Once done, set them aside and repeat the process with halved potatoes, frying until lightly golden and partially cooked. Now, drain and rinse your soaked rice and dal thoroughly. Add them to a pressure cooker with about 3 cups of water, salt to taste, a pinch of turmeric powder for the color, and a small spoonful of sugar. The gentle touch of sweetness that makes Bengali Khichudi so special. Drop in the fried potatoes so they cook right alongside the grains, absorbing all the delicious flavors. Close the lid, cook on high until you hear one whistle. Then reduce the flame to a simmer for 15 minutes. When done, turn off the heat and let the pressure release naturally. What awaits inside is a soft, fragrant, golden khichuri. In the kadhai we use to fry our vegetables, leave about a tablespoon of oil. On medium heat, begin your tempering with the following: add a bay leaf, a dried red chili, a stick of cinnamon, few cloves, green cardamoms, whole black peppercorns, and a small spoon of cumin seeds. As these spices crackle and bloom, they release a fragrance that instantly feels like warmth on a cold rainy day. Next, add a spoon of ginger paste and saute until the raw smell fades. Then goes in a pureed tomato along with a pinch of salt. Cook until the tomato thickens and begin to release its oil. Sprinkle in cumin powder, coriander powder, and a touch of Kashmiri red chili for that vibrant hue. Cook the masala for 2 to 3 minutes until it turns rich and aromatic. Now, stir in a handful of green peas and return the fried cauliflower florets to the pan. Coat everything with the masala. Next, pour the cooked dal rice mixture. Don't forget to rinse the pressure cooker with about a cup of water and add it in. Stir gently, bringing everything to a boil, allowing the flavors to mingle and get to know each other. In a small pan or a tempering bowl, melt some ghee. Add a few split green chilies and some crushed black pepper. Once they sizzle, pour this fragrant ghee over the khichudi. Give it a good mix, and just like that, your rainy day bowl of joy is ready. At our home, khichuri is never served alone. It arrives on the table steaming hot, accompanied by fried veggies like brinjal and snake gourd, a crunchy papad, and a fluffy omelette. Do you have your own khichuri story? We will love to hear it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!